Welcome to Laura's English Vibe.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Laura's English Vibe. Today we're learning deep cleaning and organization. Let's get started. Declutter the room. Laura declutters the room before deep cleaning. Organize the shelves. Laura organizes the shelves once a month. Organize the drawers. Laura organizes the drawers when they get messy. Organize the pantry. Laura organizes the pantry every few weeks. Disinfect high-touch surfaces. Laura disinfects high-touch surfaces regularly. Disinfect the doorknobs. Laura disinfects the doorknobs after cleaning the house. Clean the light switches. Laura cleans the light switches when she deep cleans the house. Dust the ceiling fan. Laura dusts the ceiling fan every few months. Clean the baseboards. Laura cleans the baseboards during her deep cleaning. Wipe down the walls. Laura wipes down the walls during her spring cleaning. Amazing job! Today, you have learned 10 new, useful English phrases. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Subscribe to Laura's English Vibe